Happy Constitution Day. Flag Day is my mother's birthday. On February the 2nd, 2011, my mother died from cancer. That's Groundhog today. So Groundhog's Day and Flag Day is going to be forever remembered. That's Steny Hoyer. I've been to your office. I brought you my whistleblower's application. I gave it to Steny Hoyer, Congressman Cummings, Sarbanes, Mikulski. I was making a movie and a documentary about white supremacy, the new face of old Jim Crow. That's Fern Shen from the Baltimore Brew. And if you go to Fern Shen, she'll show you what I'm talking about. Fern Shen been shielding this. She lives on University Avenue. That's the Department of Justice. Eric Barron, Capelhoff, Ronald Davis. Eric Barron got my whistleblower's complaint. I videotaped it when I dropped it off. It came to the office. Mail receipts. I'm an activist. I'm not a terrorist. I'm an activist, and I work 7 days a week, potty training politicians. That's my brothers. It's a Davis thing. Don't flush our futures. We talking about the money behind the prison industry. That's Judge Bell. And that's Gov.O'Malley. We talking about Gov.O'Malley's mind machine, art and activism, the art of protest. And we talking about Scott Shellenberger. We're going to trade places. On February the 2nd, I blew the whistle on Scott Shellenberger. The city solicitor got it. Baltimore City Police Department got it because I was a Baltimore City resident. You kidnapped me from my home. Theft of intellectual property, means, motive, and opportunity. Like I said, I ain't scared of the police. We're going to court in 2022. Everything that Judge Cox has, everything that Judge Bennett has, everything that Judge Marion Barbier has, got to go to Chief Justice Roberts of the Supreme Court. I'm getting ready to refile my whistleblower's complaint in Baltimore City the way I did in 2011. I'm going to do it in 2022. This week, Judge Carrion, Baltimore City Circuit Court. All right? Getting ready to refile that paperwork. This toilet represents how you treat Black America. You treat us like shit. That's Rob Fix and Cal Ripken. And that's my toilet. All evidence and emails for a federal investigation. That's my truck. My meat tastes good in your mouth. That's my truck. That truck was worth $6,000. The contents of that vehicle was worth $250 million. It's my intellectual property. Got a story called Shorty. It was a mobile filming unit. That's my truck. That's my house. Y'all came in my house and took everything. Y'all made me homeless. And it was in that bag. That's evidence. Stephen Janice from Fox 45 had that. Brown Omen 2014. Fox 45 had that. Rod Rosenstein had that. You see who had it? Baltimore Sun, Brent Jones, CBS. See who had it? Charles Gibson, World News Tonight. I told y'all about this in 2010. I was making a movie. I gave it to the Real News. Visitors Pass, States Attorney's Office. You feel me? Visitors Pass, 2014. I gave it to Frank Ski, 92Q, Jason Rodriguez, Larry Young, Al Sharpton. I gave it to the black community. And you know what they did? They let them white people lock me up. They left me in jail and cracked jokes. Shorty, pull your mask up. I'm still standing. I'm still smiling. I'm still Shorty. Shorty, stop shitting on you. That's Brandon Scott, and I'm selling toilets. I'm selling toilets, and he bought one. That's Thelma Branch. Like I said, I'm selling toilets. And y'all know who he is. Pastor Stevens from Senator Cardin's office. You see who he is? That's Tom Perez. He worked for President Obama in the Department of Justice. These are the supporters of Shorties. And this is my family you kidnapped me from. That's my family. My sisters, my brothers, my nieces, my nephews, my cousins. Y'all told the world I was a terrorist, but I'm an activist. I'm an activist 24 hours a day. That's Senator Cardin's. And that's Dante Hickman. And we getting ready to follow the money, y'all. We getting ready to follow the money. Right here, that's Adam May. All right? In an interview we did at Spring Grove Medical Hospital. You see that? Linda Dodge, parole and probation. WJZ. You see that? So Adam May, let's play the whole hour-and-a-half interview. Let's play the whole hour-and-a-half interview. Senator Cardin's, let's talk about this. Damn, Shorty exposed white supremacy in Baltimore City and Baltimore County courts. That's Chief Johnson and Senator Hardin. And when they see me, they haul ass. Call me a liar. I was making a movie. I got a film crew. I don't need a film crew. I put it in a book so the world can see. You feel me? Governor Hogan. You gonna answer my whistleblower's complaint? Bobby Zirkin. You feel me? Shorty been exposed in the corruption in Baltimore. Mosby won't tell her. But Mosby gonna need it. Mosby gonna snitch or she gonna go to jail. Because like I said, Baltimore rewired, the money behind the machine. They said if you're gonna hide something, hide it in a book. And it ain't stealing when I do it in your face, and I'm not stealing. The contents of my vehicle was worth $250 million. I reshot everything, and I got everything I need. Welcome to the shit show. And I got a lot of shit to show you. This is 2010, before I got locked up. 2010. All right? And I gave y'all that. I never got a trial. And I'm not Jesse Smollett. I never got a trial. And I blew the whistle on January 11, 2011. And these are the cases in Baltimore City, Baltimore County, and Lake County, Illinois. The top case was worth the top case was a $54 million lawsuit. I am Dred Scott. The second one was the kidnapping in Illinois, 07CF4988. President Obama asked for an investigation. Nobody did it. The last one was a Maryland case, Baltimore County, Jake Davis. Congressman Cummings' office got it. The Department of Justice got it. Like I said, Detective Collins. I'm a whistleblower. Commissioner Belfield. Charles Gibson. And Gov.O'Malley, Anthony Brown. You feel me? The FBI and Mayor Pugh. I got the tapes. I got the files. And like I said, I was making a movie. Ain't no Loggins making a movie. That's the producer. He ain't with me no more. He don't get none of this. But he got evidence. Everything that he shot pertaining to me is evidence for a federal investigation. Rob Fix collected money in my name and my likeness, and I never got none of that money. I never seen none of that money. So Rob Fix, you're going to be a defendant. You're going to have to defend what you didn't do. You feel me? Baltimore, rewired, the money behind the machine. The corruption cover-up. Starbucks and Shorties. The Board of Elections, Out for Justice, Job Opportunity Task Force. Everything that I've been emailing y'all is up for the public to view. We're talking about the criminality in the courts. And we're talking about the cover-ups. All these organizations that have been getting this money is getting ready to dry up. Because when we go to court, everything I've been doing since 2006 is on the table. It's easier to divide by 1 than it is by 10 or 20. Nobody participated in this but me. Nobody helped me but me. You feel me? Me, myself, and I. I got the Weaver Award for 2021, and I'm going to run with that. I went from Baltimore's best, Baltimore's worst to Baltimore's best. So in those years, you're going to have to show me when I became a terrorist. You're going to have to tell me how I became this bad man. Department of Justice, Eric Barron. FBI, Richard McFeely. Baltimore County Chief of Police, Hyatt. Baltimore City Police, Commissioner Harrison. Commissioner Harrison got a brown envelope. That brown envelope got evidence. That brown envelope's going to send a lot of y'all to jail. And Commissioner Harris can go to jail too for holding that evidence and not acting on that information. Ivan Bates, Warren Brown, Dwight Pettit, J. Wendell Gordon. Yeah. We talking about the criminalization of poverty. Y'all getting paid off of black tragedies. So in 2022, everything that I do is going to be in the eye of the public. I got my books together. I got my shit together, and I'm getting ready to shit on you. You don't deserve to serve. That's my new hashtag. And when I see you in public, any public events, we're going to talk about it publicly. You got a numerator and a denominator. The politicians are the numerator. The people are the denominator. Boom, boom. You got this shit like a flip like an irrational fraction. Like we work for you. No, you work for us. Fox 45, you talking about the voice of the people? I'm one of them voices, and I speak real loud. When I see Fox 45 in public, man, I like shutting them down. When I got locked up in 2011, Fox 45, I had a movie about Fox 45. It was called Portraits of a Letter. It was about how they demonized black people. And Scott Shellenberger destroyed that. That's means, motive, and opportunity. That's what you call the body of a crime. $250 million was the motive. Kidnapping me and keeping me from this movie from coming out was a motive. The movie coming out regardless, because I got too many people with the information. It's called the Ghetto Da Vinci Code. Everybody got a piece. When you put the pieces together, it pans out. And it pans out just like this. It pans out just like this. Let me get this one right. I got 3 different books. 4 books. And it's like a collage. It looks like a collage, but it's a Ghetto Da Vinci Code. I got this book. I got that book. I got that book. And I got that book. That's the Baltimore Sun. So everything the Baltimore Sun printed about me, you're going to have to tell the truth about me. You feel me? That's the Towson University coach. Put me in, coach. I'm ready to play. Y'all know who he is. He said, follow the money. And I know where the money at. I know where the money at. Peter Francott got my paperwork. I'm getting ready to go to Judge Carrion this week. And I'm going to put it all on the table. City, county, state, and federal levels. Baltimore, rewired. Justin Fenton ain't got shit on this. David Simon can block me all he want. David Simon in the movie. Justin Fenton in the movie. Everybody in Baltimore, who's anybody in Baltimore, is in the movie. Mic check.